Alright. Says I'm live now on Twitch. Let's set a timer right now for 45 minutes. Is that gonna be too long? Alright, we're sending it. Alright, I got water. I got a timer going. Phone's far away. That'll put me just after 9. That's fine. Alright, let's start. I'm a bit late today because of dinner. I probably would have done this earlier, but I got distracted today. But we're getting it done. Alright. Go to study plan. Finish that one. Theory plus practice, 8 minutes. We could probably get that done. Little refreshers on some basic types, regardless of its complexity. A program always runs on a number of strings and other values. These values are called literals. Okay? There are many different sorts of literals in Java, but variables can only store matching data. You wouldn't want to accidentally put honey in a cardboard cereal box or pour cereal into a salt shaker. Nice analogy. Let's keep going. Okay. You can use these numbers to count in the real world as natural numbers. Number also includes 0 and negative ones. Here are several examples of valid integer number literals. Cool. Int. Oh, that's interesting. That's a nice little touch. Characters sit between integers and strings. Yeah, you can do math with them. Are they saying that I can do what char 1 plus char 1 equals 2? Is that what it's saying? And then if it's... So there is no char 12. There's only char 1? Or can this all be a char? Interesting. We'll find out. Oh wow, it's a difference in quotes. This is already too nuts. Take me back to JavaScript. Int number equals 42. I wonder why string's capitalized and number's not. I mean, why int's not. Maybe this has methods attached to it. What is this? Oh yeah, it is just the quotes. Okay. Let's get through this. Reading code is crucial for anyone in IT, so let's practice the valuable skill together. Sure. Consider the program below and determine the order in which it will print the literals. So it's going to print a character because it's single quotes. It'll print, what is line? String line A, so it'll print a string. And then it'll print this number with the fancy format. Great question. Which of the following is a string in Java? It's the double quotes for sure. Okay. That one made me feel good. Select all correct statements related to literals in Java. 10 is a correct integer literal. I think 10 can be an int. That's definitely not. It's a string. That's a character. It is a correct character. And this is a correct string. Oh no! Look at that. I lost a life. What? Ten is a correct integer literal. AB is a correct character literal. It's single quotes. I don't know what the problem is here. What? How does the hint work? Numbers are never surrounded by quotes. I like how it says numbers, but it's integers, isn't it? This is a poorly done question. Very confusing. ABC is in double quotes. Yeah. And AB is correct. I think this is broken. Read the question again before answering. Select all correct statements related to literals in Java. What is this talking about? Am I missing something here? What? Bro. This is not an integer. What the fuck? What? Well, this is the dumbest. I feel like it didn't say that. But I almost want to go back. Let me see. That feels like I didn't know that, but I guess I do now, that characters can only be a single character. So why do they need single? Okay. I feel like some of this is a little dumb, but I guess I just don't know. Like, why does char... Like, we state that it's a character by declaring it char as the type, but then it's also required to have single quotes, and it's also required to have a single character. But it's like, I've already said it's char. Why does it need single quotes? And why? I don't know. That just kind of seems like overkill. But that's fine. Int. This is a valid int. This is a valid int. And this is a valid string. All right. A little frustrated with that, but that's fine. Right? I didn't know. Doesn't matter how things should be. Matters how they are. This is invalid because it has multiple things. This is a string. What happened here? I don't think this is a number. This is a string. This is a number. This is... what's going on? Yeah, this is right. Okay. Select one option from the list. Which literal can be used to represent an address in the city? Probably a string literal. Which of these literals is invalid? You can have a string like this. This is an invalid character. They're really hammering this point home. I'll take it. Your buddy from Java Community wrote the basic Java program that should print hello world. However, the code resulted in errors. Unclosed character literal. Find and fix the error in the code below. Yeah. I mean, it needs double quotes. Man, it's really harping on this, huh? Am I just a Java animal right now? Okay. Select an incorrect literal. Wow, they're really chasing this. But I guess, I missed that. I didn't know when I started, so... Try completing the first stage of one of the following projects at no cost. If you love it, go... Okay, so that's funny. I was literally thinking in my head, I remember reading about projects. Well, some of these are... What? 6 hours? What? Here, let's see. Premium learners solve 3 times more topics per day, which leads to mastering theory and completing courses 3 times faster. That's pretty enticing. Certificate, I don't care about that. Build your portfolio. Choose from a variety of exciting projects of all difficulty levels and build your professional GitHub portfolio on the goal. Let's hold off on this for now. Put your knowledge to the test. Try completing the first stage. Let's look at the first stage. It's just, I don't want to devote 6 hours. Oh, interesting. You do a project to learn Java? Is that... Oh. So I'm going to do these lessons anyway. This checks off the box, I see. Okay, so this might be more fun, right? I see. Huh. I got it. Instead of just doing their plans. Okay. This feels like a novel way. Okay, let's just do this first one and see where... I have... Let's see. I don't know what this is doing. Whoa. Create a program that accepts a user's name and age as input and prints out a welcome message to the user, referencing their name and age. If the user's name is John and their age is 22, the program should print, "Hello, I am John, I am 22 years old." Alice 30, "Hello, I'm Alice, I am 33 years old." Scanner. I definitely don't know what a scanner is. I mean, this, right, is system out. Wait, what? Did it just give me the answer? What? This feels broken. I don't know what this is doing. What is this? Why? I think this has a bot and it's not supposed to be showing me this. Is there any documentation? JavaScript util initialize the scanner object to receive. It's like sc dot It says it's in that. I don't know. I don't know what this is. Let's get personalization. I don't know how the scanner works. It would have been a waste of time. This topic, the first Java program. Our program will simply print "Hello World" on the screen. Tradition by most programmers when learning new languages. Oh. J Doodle. Okay. Oh man, I'm tired. Sequence of instructions called statements, which are executed one after another in predictable manner. Most common and straightforward sequence of statements. The world program under a microscope. Basic unit of a program. I'm like falling asleep. Every Java program must have at least one class. The definition of a class consists. Every program must have at least one class. A class can have any name, such as that main program. Can't start with a digit. The text after is just a comment, not part of the program. We'll learn about comments in detail in a later topics. The main method. To make the program runnable, we put a method named main inside a class, otherwise it will not run. It is the entry point for a Java program. Main or something. The program cannot start. It has to be main, okay? Arguments passed to the program from the outside world. Printing hello world. The body of the method consists of programming statements that determine what the program should do after starting. A program prints the string hello world using the following statement. Sure. So one of the most important things to understand from the Hello World program, we invoke a special method, print line, to display a string followed by a new line on the screen. We will often use this approach to print something of interest to the screen. The text is printed without double quotes. Okay. Some good info in there. A little smiley face for him. Start practicing. Let's go write some code. Write a simple program that includes the main method. Your class must be named main if it is public. Otherwise, it may have any name. It's a restriction on the platform, not Java. Not really sure what they're talking about here, but that's okay. Class main. Here's that lowercase main, and then we do system dot out dot println hello Java. Forgot the little. Do you see it like autocorrect that? Let's see. Oh no, 4 lives left. System out dot. Oh no way! Is it really just because of that? Let's see. Compile error. Oh. Okay. Important to remember the. What actually is this semicolon or colon? I never remember. Let's find out. Semicolon. Semicolon. Got it. Okay. Semicolon. I hope this lasts. Reset in 17 minutes. Actually, that might be before I finish. Maybe I should just pay for this. Find a word that is not a keyword in this code. What do you mean it's not a keyword? Yes. Main is not a keyword. Static is because it's purple. No, because it's... well, it's a keyword. I can't explain it. All right, now match the following terms and their definitions. I keep going forward. Oh, what's a keyword? Let's find out right now. A word that has special meaning in the programming language. I like that. A comment. This is a name. How the program needs to be written is syntax, for sure. A single action terminated by a semicolon. No, that's a statement. Keyword is a word that has special meaning. Comment, a text that explains what the code does. Name, a word written by the programmer to identify something in a single action. Let's go. Okay. Select all correct statement. Oh, fuck. Given a simple program, select all correct statements. about elements of this program. Remember, main is not a keyword. It is just a name / an identifier. But it has to be there or it won't work. Why don't just make it or whatever. Main is not a statement. It is a method name. System out print line is a statement. Class is a keyword. Hello world program is a name. Ooh. I'll be the Java king. Select all keywords here. Given a simple program, public class, hello world. Select all keywords here. Static, boom. Public, yeah. System out, no. Statement, hello world program, no. Name, class, yeah. Write a program that prints the phrase hello world. Use the provided template for your solution, but read it carefully before you start writing your code. Wait, what? Main class. Static, public, void, main, system dot out dot println hello comma world. Is there a comma really? Oh, it almost got me last time, didn't it? Not this time, baby. Well, it did get me last time. I know that main could have it, but I wonder, does it have to have it? Or can I just... Let's find out. See, okay, one thing I don't like is this was here when I started. I feel like it shouldn't have been because it was intentionally left wrong. A little cheap, not gonna lie. Class, hello world. You see how it auto-corrected too? Wait. No, something public cat. I define a class, and then I have to define the method main. Fuck. This is actually kind of annoying. What? Fishing for gems. Do I have to do string args maybe? That doesn't seem like the problem. So this is kind of annoying. All right. No. Hmm. Little frustrated here. What's going on, dude? Like, does... Oh, my God. Feels arbitrary. Not gonna lie. I don't enjoy when it's like that. Like, why does it matter what my class is named? Okay. Little annoying there. It's like, what? Declaration to display. Reorder the lines to create a Java program that subsequently declares integer, string, and character variables. We'll public class. This goes to the top. We're gonna need, no, not this one. This one here. This goes to the bottom. Int char. Interesting. Whoops. That should be good enough, right? Oh, come on, dude. Is it like... Oh my God. In the Wow. Like, really? Oh, this is so annoying. 7 minutes. Wyatt, how much time do I got? Wow, I literally have 7 minutes left. Okay. Pretty frustrating, but whatever. What? Can I just... I mean, are you kidding me? Can I buy 1 month? Is this for real? Wow, I should not have started with this. Oh my God. What? Monthly. Like, there's no way this thing takes me more than a month. Alright, I'm removing this. Can I make this small? And then I want to check. Yeah, okay, so if I go back here, come back here, I should now see the other screen, which means you can't see my screen, which means I think I'm good now. Okay, card. Okay. So let's refresh the page. Number text letter. Oh, declares integer, string, and character. Integer, string, and character. Alright. Complete the code for a greeting in your display. You created a basic greeting program in Java that displays a message, hello world, in the current year. However, some parts of your Java program are missing. Your task is to correctly fill the blanks in your code. Do it's ensured. Why did this get easier? What is it, like randomizing the order? Interesting. Nice. Printing data. Okay. When you write programs, you often need to print calculation results, text, or any other type of data. How much time do I have? Okay, I only have 3 minutes. I don't really want to start another lesson. Like, I probably won't even read all this in 3 minutes. So let's not end early. Let's sit for the timer. Let's quickly recap. What did I get wrong? What did I learn? Let's see. The first thing, what did I get wrong the first time? Chars have to be a single character. I got that wrong earlier on tonight. Single quotes. It's a char type, single quote, and it's only one character. Another thing that tripped me up is a semicolon in JavaScript. They're like kind of sorta optional, but here they matter. Plus, I don't know, when you're in VS Code, it automatically adds them for you on save, so you don't think about it ever, to be honest. It's an antiquity of the language. That doesn't make any sense. It's just old. Modern technology gets rid of that. Let's see, what else did I get? Oh, main. Okay, so that's the problem. I don't know if this thing, like I wrote public class hello world, and it didn't work. It only worked when I did public class main. So I don't know if that was. Oh shoot! What did I do? Oh, I have 257 needed to learn. What's going on here? What is? Come on now. I see. Go to study plan. Bro, is this for real right now? Okay, writing your first program. I see. I don't want to go back to the reading and say. Here, the public class. I have to reread this. I never finished what I was saying. I wrote public class hello world. It didn't work till I did public class main. Is that because that's what they want, or is that what you have to have? So let's see. It is a basic unit of every program. Every Java program must have at least one class. The definition of a class consists of class keyword followed by same. A class can have any name, such as app, main, or program, but it must. Sorry, oh, that was annoying. Scared me. But it must not start with a digit. Okay, so very annoyed. What I wrote should have worked. But they wanted main. So I lost 3 lives. That feels cheap and it feels borderline intentional. Kind of weak. But whatever. Okay, well, good recap. Tomorrow we'll do printing data. Do I really have 257 more? We'll find out.